What if the next time you hit the brakes, they didn't respond? According to the National Motor Vehicle Crash Causation Survey, brake failure is responsible for about 22% of all accidents linked to vehicle issues rather than driver mistakes. Safe driving is only part of the equation. Keeping your car's safety systems in top condition is just as important, starting with your brakes. Here are 7 warning signs that your brakes might not be as safe as you think. 7. Your brake light is on. One of the easiest indications that your brakes are in need of help is when your brake warning light appears on your dash. In fact, most modern vehicles have 2 warning lights that can appear on the dash for various reasons. If you have a brake light on, the 2 options are your anti-lock braking system or the brake system warning light. If you see an ABS warning light on your dash, you need to take your vehicle to a local dealer or repair shop, as they're equipped with the right equipment. Your brake light won't always come on when there is an issue. It's also the light that appears on your dash when your parking brake is engaged. But if you're seeing a brake warning light and your parking brake isn't engaged, it's time to have a brake specialist take a look and diagnose your ABS system issues. Number 6. Squealing, squeaking, or grinding noises. If you hear a metallic squealing sound, high-pitched metallic noises when you apply your brakes, you likely hear the wear indicators on your brake pads. While annoying, it's not always a sign of damage, but rather just that it's time to replace your brake pads. Once you begin to hear the noises, don't hold off on replacing your pads, as letting them wear down further can lead to damaged rotors and a way more expensive repair. The good news is that brake pads are one of the more affordable brake repairs you can have. Grinding noises. If you allow your brake pads to wear down past their useful life fully, you'll begin to hear a metal-on-metal grinding noise, which means you're beginning to damage your rotors. If you're experiencing grinding, contact a brake specialist as soon as possible to ensure you don't cause further damage to your braking system. Number 5. Vibration when braking or in your steering wheel. Shaking steering wheels or vibration when braking is often a sign of warped rotors. Rotors are large silver discs that sit behind your wheel or rim. When you press the brake pedal, your brake pads squeeze the rotor, ultimately stopping your vehicle. When your rotors are warped or uneven, they'll begin to interfere with your braking system and create the vibrations you feel. You'll want to fix this by having a shop resurface or replace your rotor altogether. Resurfacing is the process of smoothing or evening out your rotor and is done by shaving off uneven parts of the rotor and isn't always the safest solution. Oftentimes, a new rotor doesn't cost much more than resurfacing one and helps save you some money in the long run. Number 4. Leaking fluid. Leaking brake fluid often indicates that your master cylinder needs to be replaced. The master cylinder is where your brake fluid sits, and all your braking power comes from the hydraulic pressure created between the cylinder and brake lines. If you're leaking fluid, chances are you won't be able to stop your vehicle as quickly. Let a brake specialist examine your fluid levels and braking components to make sure you keep all of your braking abilities. Number 3. Spongy or soft brake pedal. If you're experiencing a soft pedal when you apply your brakes, or your brake pedal pushes all the way down the floor, you need to have someone check on your brakes as soon as possible. It's often a sign that you have moisture in your brake system or your master cylinder isn't functioning correctly and needs immediate attention to ensure the safety of both yourself and those driving around you. Number 2. Burning smell while driving. A burning smell coming from your wheels and brakes means you could have overheated your brakes or clutch, and continuing to drive can lead to total brake failure. If you begin to smell or see smoke appearing from your brakes, pull over immediately and inspect your brakes. Number 1. Car pulling to one side when braking. A pulling sensation to one side while braking usually means you've got a faulty brake caliper or faulty brake hose, which is causing uneven pressure to one side. Oftentimes, you'll need a brake specialist to diagnose the exact issues, so try to get it to a local shop or service as soon as possible. Your brakes are your car's most important safety feature, and ignoring the warning signs can quickly turn a minor issue into a dangerous and expensive problem. Whether it's a squeal, a vibration, or even just a warning light on your dash, never take chances when it comes to stopping power. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to these 7 red flags will not only extend the life of your brake system, but also protect you, your passengers, and everyone else on the road.